Hey, crypto family, I'll be showing you exactly how you can play this particular game, which is called Hamster Kombat. So you have to actually play the game and start accumulating points. So the point you are going to withdraw the point whenever this particular token is being launched on market, and this particular token has been on a platform like KuCoin. So the bracelet is currently on now. So I'm going to claim it and actually show you exactly what to do to actually get this amount I've accumulated. So as you can see, I've accumulated like 6 million Hamster Kombat coin. So the first thing you have to do is to actually come to your Google Play Store. So you have to come to Google Play Store, then you have to actually search for Telegram on Google Play Store. So you have to actually install Telegram on Google from Google Play Store. Then you are going to register, because that is the first thing you have to do. So if you don't have Telegram account, you won't be able to mine all these coins that have been launching in the market. So after you have actually getting your Telegram account ready, so the next thing you have to do is to click on the link in my description, so that you are going to land on the official page of Hamster Kombat. So as you can see, as you are tapping this particular coin, you are going to be your points is going to be added. So I have some trick you actually use to make more money on this platform. So the first one is to actually connect your, so after you have registered, so you have to come to this mining option. Then you are going to see some tasks that you can be doing daily. So as you can see, I actually done the one for yesterday, which is about 5 million points that will be added to my account. So the code for yesterday own is IT. Then we have YouTube Gold button, we have product manager. So all you have to do is just to enter all those things. So I'll be doing consecutive video about how you can actually make this one, but if the first thing you have to do after you have registered is to come to this end button. So this one is very, very important. So on this end button, you have to complete all these tasks. So the one of them is actually complete your daily tasks. So whenever you complete your daily tasks, I've actually started this account recently. So, and I've accumulated like 6 million points. So for today's tax, I'm going to claim it, which is about 25,000 Hamster points. So I'm going to claim it, and it's going to be added to my bank balance. So as you can see, it has been added. So you that just be registering as a newbie, you have to actually claim all these tasks. You have to do all this stuff. You join the Telegram group, you follow them on X, you actually choose your exchange, which I've chosen, which is KuCoin. You have to invite 3 people to actually be able to earn all those points. So, and another task you have to be doing daily is the fact that you have to actually subscribe to your YouTube channel. Then you can actually watch most of the video they actually have on YouTube. So after you have watched the video, then you can be able to claim most of these points, and you can actually be earning on Hamster Kombat. So I'm going to go back to show you another way you can actually earn. So the one important thing you have to do is to actually be tapping this particular game. So after you have reached like 2000, you can be able to actually renew your boost. So for you to actually renew your boost, you have to click on this mining option, then scroll down. Then you are going to see, as you can see, I have like the total amount I can tap is about 3,500. So I can actually boost this particular point to actually tap more. So I'm going to click on boost over here. Then I'm going to renew my energy. Click on renew energy, then click on free to actually get it for free, to actually start tapping again. So as you can see, as I'm tapping, this point is actually increasing. That means if I can be able to tap consistently, so I am going to be increasing my point on a consistent basis. So in consequent video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can connect your token wallet, token master. So you have to subscribe to my YouTube channels so that I'll be able to show you. And I actually have some codes like actually increase your earning to maybe 1 million Hamster points every single day. So you have to keep on like subscribing to this YouTube channel, so that I'll be giving you all those tricks and all those things. So for you to do that, you have to click on this tap, end tap 3 times. So as you can see, you are going to enter this code to be able to claim this 1 million Hamster points. So I'll be showing you in the consequent video, because I don't want this video to be very, very long. So I'll be showing you exactly how you can actually add this code to be able to earn this 1 million Hamster points. So this is just like a tutorial showing you exactly how you can get started with Hamsters. So in my consequent video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can actually link your token wallet on this platform to actually receive your token whenever it is being launched on market. So you have to ensure you actually subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'll be giving you some latest trick about Hamster Kombat game, how you can actually increase your points and different update about Hamster. So ensure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.